Hello everybody, this is going to be the way that we navigate through assignments from here on out. First things first, we will look at what month we are in, so September. Today is the 1st. We will click on the number and you will be directed to this lesson. So once we come here to this lesson, you will see objective. Today we will navigate through Google Slides. We will check to see where your do now is located, your assignment, and class video. So here you can see is a do now. If you click on it, a link will open up and it'll take you directly to our daily edits. If you click here, it'll take you to the exit ticket. This is also a link. And if you notice, once I finish recording, you will see my video with instructions loaded here in this area. Once you have completed this video, you will go to your exit ticket, and the answer to your exit ticket is a thumbs up. Once again, the answer to that exit ticket is thumbs up.